Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my bathroom. So I don't anticipate that this will be too big of a project because we do live fairly minimally and I'm very conscious of the products that I buy and the things that I bring into my home. But things do still tend to accumulate. So I'm just feeling like it is time to go through my products and I really just need to reorganize things. We have one tiny little bathroom in our house and that's it. And it just gets messy and disorganized and yeah, I will show you guys. Okay, this is literally just what it looks like. I did not like pre-clean this or anything. I thought about it, but just being real with you guys, this is what it looks like. It's so tiny. Like, it just has this little vanity, which is the worst storage ever. Like, this doors and the two drawers are like the worst size. These drawers are teeny tiny. They basically fit nothing. So it's just been such a struggle to keep this organized. Oops. So yeah, I need to organize these drawers and just figure out how to make it work for me. And then this is honestly just such a waste of space because there should be like another shelf or something. I don't know, like I just feel like this is terrible. Maybe I could add another shelf in, but it's kind of tricky because it has this, so I don't know. I know that you can get like stands so that it could be like a two-tiered shelf, if that makes sense. I don't really feel like spending money, but honestly that might be worth it just so that we could get an extra shelf in there and then the space wouldn't be so useless. And then this is a frame from a mirror. The mirror actually broke, which is super disappointing. So, and then up here we just have this ugly mirror that it was a temporary replacement. I've just been having a really hard time finding a mirror that I like for right there that's not like $50. And then these shelves are gonna stay. I actually really like these, but they obviously need to be reorganized. And then right across from the bathroom, we have this closet. This is like our linen closet. This is basically the only closet in our entire house. So it is multi-purpose. But this basket and then all of these bottles are bathroom stuff, so I'll take that when I'm decluttering stuff. All of these fit in that basket. It's not accessible at all. Like, I always end up taking stuff out because I have to like dig through it. So yeah, I'll be going through that and hopefully there'll be some stuff that I can get rid of. Okay, so here's the bathroom now. Oh, I'll grab those, but I took everything off the shelves and then everything off of these shelves. I always take every single thing. I missed that. I always take everything off of shelves and then I clean down the shelves before I put stuff back on. And I just find that that's so much more effective than kind of trying to declutter stuff while it's on the shelves. So everything comes off. I'll grab this stuff too, just so that I can give everything a good wipe down. Yeah, and then I'll just clean everything, wipe everything down before I put stuff back. I actually didn't realize that I can take the entire drawers out, so I did that, and then it's super dusty back there because, like I said, I didn't know that that came out. Yeah, these are completely empty, and I'll also wipe these down, and then I will put stuff back in. Okay, this is a disaster, but honestly, this is all of our bathroom stuff, like even extra stuff we don't use daily. So I know it looks like a lot, but I promise once it's organized, it really is not a lot. So I'm just looking at organizers for under the sink to see if I can find anything that's like a reasonable price. It looks like I could probably get something for like $20, $25, but I honestly might just DIY something because I'm pretty sure we have wood in the basement that I could just use. And it would cost me $0. Okay, so I'm just working through and sorting stuff. This is all stuff that I'm gonna wash. So I have all my makeup brushes in here that I'm just gonna wash. And then some containers like this can go in the recycling, but I'll rinse it out first. And then I have some reusable ones that just need to be washed out. So that's all gonna be washed. And then I have a bag, I have 2 bags on the floor. One of them is just garbage. It's literally just things that are garbage. Every time I talk about decluttering, I have a couple people yell at me for not decluttering things responsibly. I definitely do declutter things responsibly. When I say declutter, I do not mean throw in the garbage. So I have a bag that's also stuff that I'm gonna donate. It's products that are newer or hardly used, and a lot of women's shelters will take stuff like that. So that's my plan. But there's always gonna be things that are literally just garbage, like a hair elastic that doesn't really stretch anymore or something. I don't know. But I have 2 different piles on the ground for that. And then this basket is all stuff that I use like regularly, like toothpaste and like literally stuff I use almost every single day. So I had to recruit my husband to help me with this because this bathroom vanity was impossible to drill a screw into. He even had a hard time doing this. I don't know why, but it was so difficult. Okay, so here's what the shelf looks like. It's definitely not perfect. It's not like beautiful, but it'll totally do what we need it to do. Oops. So now there's room to put like a basket under here and then something up here, and it'll just hold like twice as much stuff without getting to be such a mess. And I definitely will paint all of it black, and then you just like won't even notice it. That these will just like blend in. I just don't have time to do that right now. Okay, and then under here, this works so much better. This was such a good idea. It works so much better. So I just have like this lint brush, my hair extensions that I don't wear very often, but every once in a while I'll wear them for like a wedding or something, are there. And then this has all of those extra lipsticks that you saw. And then my blow dryer, my straightener, and my curling iron are right here. And then I have 2 things of bath soaps just because I made this one at like a craft thing. So I'm trying to work through this one so that I just have one. And then this is all of my extra toiletries that I don't use every single day, but I still like use and need. I have like witch hazel, alcohol, rose water, a couple, like this is a face wash that I use more in the summer, nail polish remover, this is tanning lotion, an extra thing of toothpaste. For some reason I always end up with 2 open ones. So yeah, these are just kind of like extras that I know that I'll use, but I don't need them out like every single day. And then this drawer is just Quentin's like daily stuff. There's just like a little first aid kit and then like that in there. And then this is just my makeup. This is all of my makeup, you guys. I think that that's pretty impressive. And then I have 2 hairbrushes because I use a different one when my hair is wet and when my hair is dry. That's just like what works for me. And I'm so excited this is all that's in this drawer. This drawer was always such a struggle because it's so awkward and it just like always got really messy. So I'm just gonna keep it super simple. And then these shelves have things that I use all the time, like pretty much every single day. So this is like my toothbrush, my tweezers, my tongue scraper, nail clippers, toothpaste, dental floss. These are little skin stick things that I love. And this is what I use to take off my makeup. And then I use cornstarch as like dry shampoo in my hair. This is teeth whitening stuff, a couple extra like hair and face products that I use pretty regularly. And then at the top I have like mouthwash, a face mask. This is like a body spray, tanning lotion, deodorant and stuff. So those are products that I use all the time, and this method does work really well for me because stuff is out of the way, and as you saw we don't really have very much storage, so this works well. And then this shelf just has toilet paper obviously, and this is the only fake plant that I have in my house, but there's no window in here. And then this is my husband's like shaving stuff that he uses every day. And then my shower just has literally the things that we use every single day. Well, not every day, I don't wash my hair every day, but shampoo and conditioner. There's a razor and a bar of soap right there. And then just body wash, face wash, and a mask. And like I mentioned, this is our only shower. These are all of our products. So yeah, we're very minimal with our products and I'm really happy with this. And then I'll just show you over here. So before I had that whole basket with all of those products, they all fit in the vanity, and all I have left is this big thing of Epsom salts, and then I have an extra conditioner that I haven't opened, but it's the stuff that I love, so I will use it. I think I just accidentally ordered a second one. But yeah, I emptied that whole basket.